there are legal consequences that are going to result. If we are unsuccessful here, I know that there are plans to file the complaint with the NCAA and the Department of Education. I know that a lawsuit is being planned for violations of the Open Meetings Act, and I know that a Title IX action is being pursued. The lawyer was here today to force this university to comply with Title IX, and you don't do that by dropping women's sports and the opportunities for my granddaughters. Finally, I just want to say that, you know, those legal consequences are sort of things I guess judges talk about, but the real consequences of this are broader and more important than that. The image of this university over the last 20 years has taken one blow after another, from dropping the Huron logo and alienating a huge number of alumni, to having a president who moved here and said there wasn't a house in Ypsilanti that was good enough for him, so built the president's house, to covering up the murder of a student, to a president of a university who got drunk at an alumni gathering and made a speech, to the recent debacle about the charter schools. One blow after another. And what that amounts to is that now we have an opportunity to do one of two things. You can either change this decision and have an open process, or you can create one more blow to the image of this university. And what that means is that not only will 90 student athletes not be here next year, those 90 will never be here, and another 90 the year after, and another 90 the year after. This is a decision in perpetuity to say we don't need 90 more students here paying tuition. I thought that was the problem we started with. And the image of the university is that all of you and this broader community, 50,000 people signed an online petition to save these sports. This is a large community, and they underestimate you. They underestimate you. You, your parents, your friends, the parents and friends of future athletes who might have come here otherwise are going to say, don't go to Eastern. And that results in lower tuition and lower enrollment. That's not what we're about. I hope that this university can say what we're about is providing opportunities for students and student athletes to reach their potential, to get beyond wherever they came from and attain whatever they want to dream about in life. These regents are trying to crush that. It can't happen. It can't happen. I will say this to you, that if this decision is not changed, or if at least they don't give us the opportunity to having an open discussion of this in a public way, then this fight is long from over.